Now, first of all, before moving into the tax systems in India, you need to understand what are taxes. And this is a very common term that we all have heard. But what is tax? What is the benefit of tax? We need to understand the basic foundation of the term called tax. Only then we'll understand what is the role played by tax in specific countries. As we are in India, we need to know about the tax systems in our country. So, tax is basically derived from a word. It's a Latin word called taxo, and this means to assess the worth of something. So it's like assessing the worth, assessing the value of something. That's the meaning of taxo. And if you look at the definition of tax, it's a mandatory contribution made by the individual to the government, and it is paid in response to the basic services that is being provided by the government to the citizens. So tax is not an optional thing, it's actually a compulsory contribution. So that's the main point about tax. It is a value, or it is a monetary value that we pay to the government for the basic services and amenities that the government provides to us. It's a two-way relationship. We can say that it's with our tax that the government plans, or our means the citizens. Like I'm considering myself as a citizen. So taking the case of citizens, we pay tax to the government, and this is used by the government for its economic activities and futuristic plannings. And in that way, it provides us with basic necessities or advanced facilities, amenities, etc. So tax is a mandatory contribution that we give to the government. If it is not made mandatory, the government will not have its own revenue system. See, tax is one of the biggest revenue sources of the government anywhere across the world. Sorry. So if the tax system is not there, the government's income is going to get affected, and without a revenue source or without an income source, the government won't be able to plan for its future, or the country's future, and give benefits to the citizen. That is why tax is being made as a compulsory element in almost all the nations which follow tax system. So it's basically the process by which government is collecting funds from the individual, and it is not just from the individuals. It's like all entities in a country. The term entities include individuals like us. There are business organizations, so corporates are there. There are other kinds of authorities which a country will include. Like in India, it is like Hindu undivided families there. Then we have the corporate separately, large scale industries, or the corporate sector is there. Then we have partnership firms running inside. So there are several kinds of entities inside a country. So this is being levied on all the entities in a country. It's not just on the individuals. It's also on the individuals and other entities in a country. And after collecting this funds from the entities, the government will spend it on things like education, health, infrastructure development. Now we have this technological development, defense systems, national security system of the country, and many other common aspects which is required for the country's development. So it is through the tax systems, or it is through the collection of tax, that a country can take developmental projects and move the country forward and propel growth possibilities. So basically, taxation is required for achieving economic prosperity of any nation. So this is the basic understanding to tax. I hope you understand the basic definition of tax, and you understood why tax is important in a country. It is a mandatory contribution. That's the first thing that you need to understand. And it is only through this contribution that government will get a revenue. And when the government gets this revenue, they spend it on common facilities and basic necessities like health, infrastructure, education, technology, defense, etc. So in a way, it leads to economic prosperity of a country. If tax is not there, it might affect. It is not necessary that it will definitely affect, but it might affect the economic growth and prosperity and even development of a country. So that is regarding meaning of tax.